Everybody, welcome back to another video. Hey, it's Marybeth here. We're going to be talking a little further in this video since we're down to the final stretch now. The last month of the year, December. It's time to really start getting our holiday plans in motion and make this a December to remember, ending the year really strong. And I want to just continue to share with you a really simple, affordable, tremendous value, jam-packed value, all for only $50 one time plus a $14.95 one-time admin fee. You can be getting started today for only $64.95. Profit Pals Pro. This program's been around for over a year. It's still going strong. Always updates, always upgrades. It's been amazing. I've been part of it a good chunk of this year, consistently earning with it. It's doing really well. It's helping a lot of people, and it can help you too. So just want to bring you back inside of the back office. Easy to follow, easy to get started, easy to navigate. Beginner friendly, newbie friendly, no learning curves, no special skills needed. Everything you needed right here in one central location. To get started, you click on Get Started. Once you get access, you'll log in. You'll watch this What to Do First 17-minute video. Breaks everything down. Make sure you watch it from beginning to end. Please don't take any shortcuts. And then here's your instructions. Make sure you review all your instructions, how it all works, the rank levels, payment methods, banner, new member banner details, the comp plan, and the Facebook group. Make sure you request to join the paid Facebook group members group for Facebook. You'll see lots of additional marketing resources are going to be posted up in there. Image ads that you can take and use on your Facebook, your stories, your profile page, and whatnot. So definitely be very beneficial for you to request to join the group, the Facebook group for paid members, okay, as well. Profile, you'll plug in your information, upload a photo, and then you can get paid however you want. It's direct, member to member. You decide what methods work best for you. This is worldwide. It is global, but we've got Cash App, we've got PayPal, credit cards, Stripe, Square, Venmo, Wise, Bitcoin, Zelle, okay? And you can pretty much use whatever you would like to, whatever's going to work the best for you. We have 3 links to the sales page. This is a brand new one that has most recently been added. I absolutely love it. Let me just share that with you here right now, okay? This is working very well, converting very nicely. And before I get too far into this, before I forget, I want to welcome 2 new team members who just joined me yesterday. Right off of this page here, folks, Les and Anthony. So welcome, Les and Anthony, to Profit Pals Pro. Both of you made a great decision to get plugged in, to get started, especially as we roll into the final month, the busy time of year. Everybody's looking for and needs extra holiday cash, and this is such a simple way to help you to accomplish that. And then you'll be able to be up and running to move right into 2026 in style. Okay, so if you're ready for a financial shift in 2026, you want to come through here and start at the top left and work your way down to the bottom right. Review all of this in its entirety. Watch this video first. This video second. Okay, this video third. And this just so happens to be me right here. Okay, so make sure you review this video here. How to earn before the holidays. Profit Pals Pro for the busy season. Alrighty. And then we have more information here. Lots of great information. Here's the product. All right. And here's my contact information if you need to reach me, text or call me. All right. And then you'll click on this button here. You'll review some additional information and scroll down. Just to show you what this looks like. Scroll down here. You'll get additional information, okay, on how you can get your share of endless $50 bills. More information provided. More videos. Watch all of this. Here's a little income calculator for illustrative purposes. You can kind of plug in, play around, have fun, see the potential. Additional testimonials. You'll see mine here as well. There I am. Click on any one of these little arrows and you can review these as well. Here's more information about the product. This is a wonderful product, folks. A wonderful product. Sold for $499. You can have it with PPP for only $50. All right, plus a $14.95 one-time admin, $64.95. You're all in. You can check this all out here. Okay, click here to see the package. Click here to play. Those a 10-minute audio, what you're going to learn, folks. So make sure you check this out and check this out. Step 1, you'll pay me the $50. Okay. I do accept Square, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, and Wise. All right. And I do have a merchant account. So if one of these, for whatever reason, does not work for you, connect with me. I'll send you an invoice from my merchant account. All right. And then you'll scroll down here. You'll read through this, follow the instructions contained within, and then you'll pay your admin $14.95, step 2, okay? So complete step 1 and step 2, all right? This is very important. You need to send a copy of your $50 purchase receipt to profitpalspro@gmail.com. Include my name and my ID, and you can grab that information right here at the very, very bottom. There's my name, and there's my ID, 743, okay? So we're going to come right back here. Okay, here is the leaderboard, and currently I'm ranked number 3 right up there. Okay, we have our product right here called the 5K formula. You can review all this wonderful information here, folks. It's all available to download. Lots of great value. 4-part series, Make Money or Make Excuses. Plus you have Mentors in Motion, over 3 hours of pure content, pure value. This is sold for $499, okay? All yours for $50 one time. And this can help you with any opportunity that you're going to become part of in the future. You get a Millionaires Online Audio Magazine Library, the Legends. They're going to share with you and reveal tons of gold nuggets, how they went from zero, from scratch to multiple 6 and multiple 7 figures. We conclude with a 4-part series of the mindset transformation for your personal development, which is equally important. So we're going to equip you with everything, your skill set, your mindset, knowledge. Knowledge is power, folks. You're going to have everything you need at your disposal so you can be successful, not only with PPP, but any other opportunity. And then we have special bonus offer. Okay, this is a lead capture page and capture page system. Lead capture page and lead management system, totally optional. However, it's commissionable, and you can pick it up for $100 plus a one-time 21 admin. $121, no monthly fees, and potentially increase your income earning potential from $50 per new customer to $150 per new customer. Okay, so you can scope this out, check this out, everything you get. It'll help you to build your email list, review all these highlights right here if you so wish to, and then add it whenever you're ready. All right. All right, beautiful capture pages right here. Okay, to choose from. All righty. And then you get the lead manager, the link creator, the link archive, additional tools that are part of the lead capture and lead management system. When you pick those up, you'll have access to it. Okay. Bonus downloads. You have 10 additional bonus downloads, additional digital products right here. Okay, plus the bonus Millionaires Online Audio download right here for you, which is part of the bonus package. And then we also have Unlocking the Master Key System. All right, which is another self-study course broken down into 6 parts for your easy access and easy downloading. Right here, 6-part series. So folks, we're giving you everything you need for such an affordable price point. And it's direct member-to-member instant pay commissions. Super simple, folks. Nothing difficult whatsoever. We have our marketing right here. We have business cards. We have postcard templates. We have flyer templates. We have text ads, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have an email swipe. So any semblance of any email list, any email marketing you might be doing, folks, you can literally copy and paste this. Down here, this is a tool I love. Love it. Click this little icon, generate your ad. You can order email ads, you can order solo ads, you can order safe lists. If you have an email list of your own, you can just enter the subject line and the ad body here. And there's so many contain this. Generate, see there's another one. You just go here, click this little icon, click that, click this little icon, generate your ad. And you can do this, folks, all day long, all right? Banner ads, if you're into banner ads, folks, you can copy and paste these. There's a great resource called Top Surfer, TopSurfer.com. And if you want to go with, I'll give you some resources here, udimi.com for solo ads. There's hundreds upon hundreds of solo ad vendors that you can use those email swipes, order some clicks here. Most of the vendors will write their own email. All you do is provide them with a link to your capture page. Super simple. We also have another resource here called Herculist, Herculist. This is a very well-known, well-respected, well-trusted resource in the industry. Okay, we have the Office Annex, the Office ANNEX.com. All you do is click here on this little icon, do a little search for Profit Pals Pro, okay, and check this out right here, okay. We have business cards, flyers, postcards. You can order these up. Okay, these work very, very well. All right, for you. And I'm just going to show you what I'm using for my capture page. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. I'll drop that link in the description below this video. And do like and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. This way, as I continue to upload new information and updates on this amazing opportunity called Profit Pals Pro, you will be notified, okay? So you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest. This has been a wonderful, wonderful opportunity, folks. I can't say enough good things about it. So all you have to do is enter your name and email, click show me the video, and you'll be taken to my landing page. You'll see a couple explainer videos. Watch those. There'll be a join button, and that's going to take you right to my direct join page where you can review additional information, scroll all your way down, and just follow steps 1 and 2 when you are ready to get started. Super easy, folks, okay? DailyPayBeginsHere.com. Any questions, text or call me. Contact details are below. And I would love nothing more than to welcome you in advance to Profit Pals Pro. And once again, special congrats to both Les and Anthony, who just joined me yesterday in Profit Pals Pro, made a fantastic decision to be kicking off the brand new month, December, being able to make it a month to remember with Profit Pals Pro. So you're in the right place, right time, if you're looking for something that is real, legit, affordable, duplicatable, scalable, and just plain simply works, folks. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon on the very next video for Profit Pals Pro. Bye for now.